Everything Bagel Seasoning recipe. If you're a fan of bold, savory flavors, this Everything Bagel Seasoning recipe is about to become your new kitchen staple. Not only is it incredibly easy to make, but it's also versatile enough to elevate a wide range of dishes. Whether you're making homemade bagels, topping your favorite avocado toast, or adding some zing to your eggs, this seasoning mix will instantly make your meals more exciting. Ingredients you need: 4 teaspoons white sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons black sesame seeds, or you can use additional white sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons poppy seeds, 2 teaspoons dried minced garlic, 2 teaspoons dried minced onion, 1 teaspoon flaky sea salt. Maldon is perfect for that crisp, salty crunch. Simple instructions. Combine all the sesame seeds, poppy seeds, dried garlic, dried onion, and sea salt in a bowl. Stir until everything is well mixed, and voila! Your Everything Bagel Seasoning is ready to go. Sprinkle generously over homemade bagels, eggs, or even avocado toast for a delicious, savory twist. Serving suggestions. Spread the seasoning on bagels, whether store-bought or homemade, for the perfect breakfast bite. Sprinkle it over avocado toast to transform a simple snack into something spectacular. Add it to scrambled eggs or a fried egg for an extra layer of flavor. You can even use it as a topping for roasted vegetables or in salad dressings. Notes: this recipe makes about a 1/4 cup of seasoning, which is perfect for multiple uses, and it's easily customizable. You can increase or decrease the amount of garlic, onion, or salt based on your taste preference. Plus, it's a great way to use up ingredients that you may already have in your pantry.